New Navi Mumbai Metro project. The first 5 days. Is it popular? In a transformative stride away from conventional transportation, the Navi Mumbai Metro has garnered remarkable popularity within just 5 days of its launch, with over 68,000 enthusiastic commuters embracing the modern transit system. This significant shift has not only brought relief to the notorious traffic snarl-ups along the Utsav Chowk to Taloja stretch but has also transformed the commuting experience for residents who were previously reliant on auto rickshaws, ecovans, and Navi Mumbai Municipal Transport (NMT) buses. Hi friend. Welcome to SciTech Buzz channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel after viewing this video. Kindly watch this until the end in order to receive all the details of this interesting video. The impact is palpable, especially at Hiranandani Chowk along the bustling Shaunpunvel Highway, historically notorious for vehicular congestion during peak hours. Pritam Jain, a resident of Sector 10 in Kharghar, shares his first-hand experience. Before the commencement of Metro, it was difficult to find parking at Kharghar Deck Parking. Now, motorists find it easily accessible as a large number of people are commuting through the metro. According to data from the City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, an impressive 68,000 commuters opted for the metro in the first 5 days, with an average of approximately 15,000 people choosing this mode of transportation during the holiday period. Most stations, with the exception of RBI Station, witnessed a daily influx of more than 500 passengers. However, amid the success story, a segment of commuters has voiced concerns about the slightly higher metro fares compared to buses. Notably, a queue has formed outside Kharghar railway station, where a metro journey from Belapur to Pendhar costs 40 Indian rupees, while NMT buses charge 27 Indian rupees for AC and 21 Indian rupees for non-AC on the same route. Despite this, some commuters find the bus services to be more time-consuming. An official from the traffic department acknowledges the ongoing transition, stating, commuters are migrating to the metro. However, there are still fare-sensitive individuals who continue to use bus services, which is not necessarily a drawback. The Pendhar-Belapur Metro line, the inaugural line of the Navi Mumbai Metro, marks a significant milestone after 12 years of planning and anticipation. As the city celebrates the success of this first line, commuters and city planners alike are left pondering the fate of the proposed metro lines 2, 3, and 4. Metro Route Number 2, spanning 7.12 kilometers from Taloja Industrial Estate to Kandeshwar, via Kalamboli, Route Number 3 covering 3.87 kilometers from Taloja Industrial Estate to Pendhar, and the proposed Route Number 4 stretching 4.17 kilometers from Navi Mumbai International Airport to Punvel, are eagerly anticipated by residents and city planners alike. To appreciate the significance of this achievement, let's delve into a bit of historical context. The Navi Mumbai Metro project has been in the works for over a decade, with meticulous planning and dedication from city planners and authorities. The vision was to create a modern and efficient transportation system to cater to the growing needs of the city. The success of the Pendhar-Belapur Metro line is not just a triumph for commuters but a testament to the perseverance of those who worked tirelessly to turn this vision into a reality. It's a stride towards a more sustainable and streamlined urban transport network. As Navi Mumbai embraces the metro, it's clear that the demand for efficient and convenient transportation options is high. The positive response from commuters in the first 5 days is an encouraging sign, but challenges such as fare sensitivity and the need for further expansion loom on the horizon. In conclusion, the Navi Mumbai Metro's inaugural line has made an impactful debut, alleviating traffic congestion and offering residents a faster and more convenient mode of transportation. However, as the city looks forward to the proposed metro expansions, addressing concerns about fare differentials and ensuring seamless integration with existing transportation modes will be crucial for the sustained success of this ambitious project. The next chapters of the Navi Mumbai Metro story are eagerly awaited, promising a brighter and more connected future for the city. Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.